So this whole side panel is removed now, which gives you great access to the side of the motor here. So when I rebuild this cabin, I'm really contemplating keeping, like, extending this bunk all the way to this bulkhead, so I can have access to the side of the motor here, because originally it was very tough to get around to the side here. Obviously not set in stone, but so this right here is the outlet of the manual bilge pump, which I don't know where it was connected. It was connected somewhere. You would think obviously to pump overboard, but I can't figure out where that would have been. So I think what I'm gonna do is potentially temporarily remove this, which is a cockpit drain, which goes to that through hole down there, and attach the manual to that through hole, so I can finish pumping out all the crud that's built up down there in the bilge. So this is what I feared would be the case with this motor.